Recalibrating the field of love. Welcome back to Wise Intuition. I'm Kelly, the voice and heart behind this channel. Thank you for being here. Today, I share with you this beautiful transmission, a moment to soften, receive, and reconnect with the love that has always lived within you. This divine bioenergetic restoration code activation is a recalibration for your field of love, the energetic space where your body, emotions, and soul remember how to realign to its true coherence. Because your body is made of structured water, crystalline, responsive, intelligent water, every frequency you hear reorganizes the liquid matrix of your cells. Your blood, your fascia, your plasma, your lymph, even the cytoplasm inside each cell, all of it responds to vibration. Just like water forms sacred geometric patterns when exposed to sound, the words you hear restructure the field inside you. So these DBRC transmissions aren't just nice messages. They're spoken frequency codes, sequences designed to communicate directly with your body's liquid crystalline system, the part of you that stores memory, emotion, and safety. These codes invite coherence and safety into the heart field, clearing distortion, restoring purity, and awakening the remembrance that love has never been missing. Before we begin, find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Rest one hand over your heart and the other over your solar plexus or sacral center. Close your eyes and take a slow, gentle breath in. Let the breath travel all the way into your belly and exhale softly through your mouth. Continue breathing at your own pace, each inhale filling you with divine life force energy, each exhale releasing anything that no longer serves. Feel your body softening into the moment. Let your field know it is safe to receive. As you listen, simply allow these frequencies to move through you. You do not have to understand the code. Your body intelligence already speaks this language. Bring your awareness to this moment. Settle in to receive the activation. You are surrounded by a protective white light. Take a deep breath in and release. Again, exhaling gently. Take another slow, easy breath in and out. You are safe to receive this transmission. Whisper inwardly or aloud. I give my full permission for this transmission to flow through my body, my mind, and my field for my highest good. Feel how the air itself changes around you as soon as you say yes. The field responds instantly because energy always obeys intention. Imagine a soft sphere of rose gold light forming around you, pulsing gently with each breath. With every inhale, it expands a little farther. With every exhale, it refines, becoming clearer, brighter, more coherent. This is your field of love, the sacred architecture where divine and human meet. Allow yourself to rest inside it. Let go of doing, analyzing, expecting. If your mind wanders, bring your awareness back to your heart and repeat softly, I allow the frequency of love to move through me now. Feel warmth spreading across your chest, down your arms, and through your solar plexus. The nervous system begins to settle. The body remembers safety. You are not trying to create love. You are remembering it, realigning to its original vibration. The heart's electromagnetic field extends far beyond the body. As it opens, it synchronizes with the Earth's own resonance, 7.83 hertz, returning your entire system to divine rhythm. From this coherence, we now begin the transmission. Let's begin. Keep your breath steady. Feel your palms begin to warm as subtle current builds between them. This is the intelligent light preparing to move. Whisper softly, I activate this divine code to recalibrate my love field to truth and coherence. A soft pulse moves through the hands. Imagine threads of crystalline light connecting your palms to your heart. They shimmer like silk, rose, gold, and white. Compute 17 volts and 122 hertz, carried on a 528 megacycle per second wave, the pure harmonic of divine compassion. Feel it enter the heart's electromagnetic field, spiraling gently through every cell. With this frequency, dissolve distortions of love rooted in abandonment, rejection, and conditional worth. They release like dust in sunlight, gone with the next breath. Neutralize inherited belief structures that love must be earned, proved, or chased. Clear childhood imprinting where affection was tied to approval or silence. Discharge emotional memory loops of not enoughness, longing, or despair. A golden rhythm now radiates from your chest. It hums 444888727, the harmonic of heart-centered coherence. This sound rewrites your cellular memory, reminding every molecule that love is your natural frequency. Recalibrate oxytocin, serotonin, and vagus nerve fields to reflect divine safety and receptivity. Feel the nervous system unwind as if the body sighs in relief. Apply the Fibonacci harmonic to weave inner union between heart, sacral, and solar centers, the sacred trinity of creation. Anchor soul recognition codes of self-love and spiritual remembrance. Under authority of 7 iterated 7 cubed plus E through the rose gold and opal spectrum in a major harmonic, stabilize the coherence grid between emotional body and soul field. Ground heart signal restoration to Earth's resonance at 7.83 hertz, the Schumann heartbeat of the planet. Let your heart beat in time with hers. Obey harmonic 666006121 for full field recalibration to the divine love frequency. Transmit crystalline photon streams through the RNA memory pathways, translating light into cellular renewal. Apply a 7-degree arc of biophotonic light, traveling twice the speed of light to unzip dormant DNA filaments and restore the original love blueprint. Anchor sovereign receptivity, radiance, and sacred connection within. Inhale deeply and receive. Exhale softly and release what no longer serves you. Let the alignment settle gently, like new constellations forming inside your chest. Let's affirm this together. Repeat after me. I am whole. I am love. I am home. Let the current ease through you now. Every cell has heard the language of light. Feel the energy begin to settle, no longer moving outward, but gathering inward, weaving coherence through every layer of your being. Imagine a soft spiral of pink gold light rotating gently in your chest. Each revolution integrates the frequencies you've received, binding them to your human rhythm. The heart, the brain, the breath, 3 notes now tuned to 1 chord. Whisper, I allow this recalibration to integrate with ease and grace. The body obeys. The nervous system recodes to peace. The emotional body exhales centuries of protection. Light continues to thread itself through your fascia, your bloodstream, your memories, anchoring safety where fear once lived. Now visualize roots of white light descending from the soles of your feet into the earth. Feel the magnetic hum beneath you answer back. This is grounding, not just of body, but of love itself. Breathe into that connection. Seal the frequency with these affirmations, repeating them aloud or silently as truth. I no longer seek love through lack. Love is not something missing, it lives within me. I am safe to receive and safe to be seen. I honor my true vibration of love. I am whole in my own field. Love flows from me, not toward me. I rest in divine connection. Take a slow inhale through your nose, hold for a heartbeat of gratitude, and exhale through parted lips. The field is sealed in light. The integration is now complete. Whisper softly, I thank my body, my breath, and my soul for remembering. You have returned to inner coherence. In gratitude, I thank you for receiving this code. If this resonated with you, share it with someone who's ready to remember their own light. Each listen deepens the integration. Come back anytime your energy needs recalibrating. Together, we're raising the collective frequency of love. If this session spoke to your soul, you'll find the next activation linked below and on the screen at the end of this video. Join us on my new Patreon to explore the complete library of divine bioenergetic restoration codes and daily alignments. Your presence helps this community of light continue to grow. With awe always, beautiful soul, until next time, peace and love.